So today I'll be teaching you how to create LinkedIn ads. So in order to create LinkedIn ads, first of all, you should have LinkedIn page. LinkedIn page is mandatory to run ads. Okay. Either you should have your own page or else the company you're working for, they should have a page. Anything is fine. So here I took student's LinkedIn account. So he doesn't have a page. I'm going to create a page now. So here, if you click on this, you have an option to create a company page. So you can create a company page, showcase page, or if it is an educational institution, just select this. Company means it can be anything small, medium, and large business. Showcase means sub pages associated with an existing page. You already have a page, but you have so many products. So you can create a showcase page of the main page. So here I'm selecting the educational institution and your organization's name. It has to be named, but I'm just mentioning digital marketing course by ODMT. But it has to be your company name like ODMT or Great Learning, an academy. Because just for explanatory, I'm just giving like this. And if you have a website, someone click on that, where it has to go. And which industry is this? It's into education. And what is the organization size? And if you have a logo, upload the logo. And tagline, 120 characters. Okay, this also works like a SEO. That's why intentionally I used the keywords over there. And just verifying. This is how it looks. Read the LinkedIn terms and conditions. Read it. Come back. It's an option here. Create a page. Now this is the page we have. It's showing that you have to finish a few more things. Description, location, grow your followers. And again, here, this is a profile pic again. It's good to have a cover pic. And the cover pic should be 1128 by 191. Go to Canva, create the particular size. Then same like a normal LinkedIn post, you can keep on posting it. But we are using this for a marketing purpose because we have to run ads. That's why I'm using this. So first I want to make a post now, a normal post. So, there is a job opening. Generally, you will be making a creatives, but I just writing. Today I mentioned checkbox. Experience. Just mention. So this normal post I'm creating here for explaining the ads better. Right. You can share this on your profile as well. Okay. So this is the page we created and page has posted something. Okay. Now we'll go for Google, Facebook, LinkedIn ads. Why? Because in order to create a LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn page is mandatory. So I've been here, I created a LinkedIn page. Now I'm going for ads. So even ads as well, you could do like this. Please directly advertise. Because directly you can type LinkedIn ads, you will be getting. When you type LinkedIn accounts, LinkedIn ads, oh, he has already created. That's why it is showing his account. So by default, same like a Google ads, account, campaign, ad groups, ads will be there. So this is the account by default it's created. So let me click on this account, or else if you want, you can create another account as well. So I'm just creating another account. So account name, I'm just mentioning my name, Subhash, add account, currency, country, currency, time zone. So based on your client dimension, associated LinkedIn page with your account. What are the page you created? Try to add that page. So we have created a page. So this is the page. So we should have a URL, right? Share a page, copy link. I'm checking here. So this is the another page he has created. So Harsha, you already have another page, I think. Okay, one second. I check here. Can take this or I can go for another one. Yeah, this is the page I want to go. So share page, copy link. See, linkedin.com/company and the company name. Because I'm in the logged in, it's showing as admin, but when I check here, you will see the proper URL. Yeah, .com/digital marketing course by ODMT. So I'm copying this. In the ads, I'm going to use it. The ad, yeah. So if you are managing the page, you can do like this. But if you are working for some company, they already have, you can see, you just type digital Vidya. Their company page will be there. You just select them. Directly giving this. Okay. So I've created a new account name, currency, and associated LinkedIn page. Same Facebook ads also, without page it will run, right? This is also same thing. Page is mandatory. That now you are here. So this is the same, almost same. Facebook ads you learned, right? It will be same, but here, once you are in account, instead of going for a campaigns, they call it as a campaign groups. Okay. In these campaigns only, all the second. So guys, can you hear me, guys? All of you? Asha, can you hear me? Sorry, guys, the connection lost. All of you able to hear me now? Salim, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So it's almost same, but only thing is they have something called campaign groups. So like you want to do a few campaigns on brand awareness. So you can make it as a campaign groups. All the campaigns you can do in this. In such a way you can use this. Otherwise, just ignore it. By default, one new campaign group is created. In this, you can create a campaign, or else if you want, you can create a new campaign group. So this is enough. I'm going in that. Here, I'm creating a campaign. In this, I'm creating a campaign. Right. Now, campaign. See, objective selection. Same like a Facebook. What is your objective? You have to select. Yeah. So whether it's a brand awareness campaign or consideration or conversion, this is same. Assume that I want to bring more traffic to my website. So I'm selecting the website visit. See left hand side what's happening. Once you select the objective, next thing is the audience. So it's pretty same. Don't get confused. You learn Facebook ads, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads are very easy. Only thing you have to understand is here audience selection is different. When it comes to Twitter, where the ad will appear, that is only the difference. But here, I told you LinkedIn ads are very expensive because you can target one particular person. That much of customization is here. So try to focus on that only. The campaign, ad group, ads, these are all same. Nothing to worry about it. So let us target about the audience. If you see the location, by default, India is selected. When you select India, see the target audience size. 9 crore, total 9 crore 60 lakhs LinkedIn profiles are available throughout India. So my target is Hyderabad. So I'm selecting this instead of India. I'm selecting Hyderabad. Hyderabad, Telangana. I can see here 53 lakhs. Total 53 lakhs accounts are there. Again here, if you see the option recent or permanent location. If someone today they have a LinkedIn account, they came from Bangalore to here, based on the location also, it will tell you. Now you want to target exactly the people who stay here, it will be showing. There is no much difference anyway. Okay. Now I selected Hyderabad. Now my ad will go to the people who are in Hyderabad who uses LinkedIn. Most of the people use LinkedIn, the freshers who looking for a job, 1 year experience person, 10 years experience people also. Now I want to know who will learn my codes, who will learn my digital marketing code. So I have to filter it. So this is the broad data. I have to filter it. So I'm coming with an idea that I want to target these people actually. If you see people who done MBA, they're working something and they have 3 years of experience and they're doing a normal marketing. They're not happy. They want to come back. I should filter this. Or people working for BPOs like customer support executive. Why? Because when you work with the BPO industry, as you grow, there is no growth on a long term. Initially, freshers salaries are good, but once you getting more experience, there is no much growth and there is no much knowledge as well. Maybe just talking or non-voice process, that's it. So most of the people, they switch back to another industries. But the main problem for them is they're not technical. They can't go for a coding actually, like a Python, Java. They need a non-technical course. So luckily, digital marketing is a non-technical one. So I need to find BPO people through LinkedIn. And I should make my creative in such a way that not happy with the present industry. You want to switch your career, learn digital marketing without coding and get 30% hike on your salary. If that creative reaching the right BPO executive, there is a high chances that they will enroll for the course. Now let us take this scenario, how to filter them. Now everybody is there. I have 53 lakhs data is there. Yeah, 53 lakhs data. I want to narrow down. Next, how to narrow down. So narrow audience. Narrow by how? By audience attributes. Based on their company. I'm selecting the company and company names I'm taking directly. I started my career as a customer support executive in Untitled. So I know a few of the company names actually. The first thing is people who work for Untitled. I'm selecting now. These are all BPO. So I can see that 1,000 people from 53 lakhs to 1,000 it came. Next, it's giving you suggestions. Sutherland. This is also a kind of customer support. You're not getting much. Let's search for. Not getting the names. Even most of the Dell also have customer support. Okay. In such a way, you are getting the data. So find out before that, there's Google search. What are the BPO companies in Hyderabad? So that you'll be getting. Right now, I have a 2,500 audience. Let me add a few more people so that when I selected Cital, the recommendation, yeah, these are all teleperformance. I'm just taking them. Okay, now I have a 6,100 audience. All of them are working for BPO. Okay, now people are using LinkedIn. They're in Hyderabad. They're working for BPOs. But who will join? A guy who have at least 3 years of experience have a chances of changing the career. But if you have a 7 to 8 experience, maybe he's in a manager level. He might be earning more money and he can't switch as well. He will not do experiment at that stage. So I don't want to target them. Again, I want to narrow down here. So what I'm doing is, again, let me narrow down this by few more. So that's the other option of narrowing down. Let me close this. Yeah, narrow. Again, I want to narrow by their experience, years of experience. I want to target people who are up to 4 years. These people have a high chances. Now I have 1,500 people who are working for BPO in Hyderabad. They have less than 4 years of experience. Definitely, they might have fed up with the job. For them, if I show the ad, I have a very good chance of getting conversions. Guys, have you understood? This is the beauty of the LinkedIn. So there are so many other options as well you can try. You just see this, how you can narrow. You can narrow by company, demographics, like members' age, gender, based on education. Like I said, right, MBA people, even you can target by degrees and field of study, what study they've done. All right. Interest and traits. This is more broad anyway. It's not good. And this one is good for a remarketing. Once you have some data, you can use for a remarketing. But initially, you try with this. Okay, understood, guys? What we discussed just now? How to narrow down the audience. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, right-hand side, it will giving you a number as well. 30 days spend, how much you can spend, and how many impressions you'll be getting. 3 days, how many clicks you might be expecting. 100 to 450 clicks. It's expensive, just see your cost per click. Every click is costing you 178 rupees to 268, which is too much. Even Google ads also 40 to 50 rupees, one click will come. Facebook 10 rupees only. LinkedIn is more because they have an option of filtering this much. So it deserves actually for every advertiser. It's not a big deal. So, and what are the data they give? This is genuine data. People can lie on Facebook. People can lie on Instagram. People will not lie on LinkedIn. So you can invest, right? So once it is done, next is the ad. Whether you want to go with a single image ad, carousel, video, text, spotlight, message, conversation ad, event ad. They have a different ads here. Single image is a straight image ad. Carousel is collection of images. Video ads is video ads. Text to ads. When you open LinkedIn, you can see the text ads as well, right hand side. Spotlight ad. I'll show you the spotlight ad here. You just here, when I open my account, right hand side Subhash, you might like to follow Mintra brand solution. It is showing me here. This is the sponsored ad. See here? It's a sponsored ad. So this is the spotlight ad. Message ad, directly in the messages you'll be getting. Conversation ad, messaging inbox same. Event ad, if you have an event, you can go for this ad. So I want to go with a single image ad. Now, where you want to show your ad? By default, LinkedIn and LinkedIn Audience Network. Any guess what is the LinkedIn Audience Network with our previous information? Can you guess what is this? Any idea? We have same kind of option in Facebook. If so, what is that? Sushmita, any guess? Have you ever heard of Audience Network before? Salim? Any idea? Sushmita, any idea?
Maybe I might be wrong, sir, but any other person, blogs or something, like different pages.
Yeah, we discussed, right? Placement means Facebook have Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network. Audience Network means some websites and apps, they partnered with the Facebook to show the ad. So your ads will, apart from Facebook, your ads will appear on blogs as well. The website and apps which are partnered with the Facebook. In the same way, LinkedIn also partnered with some third-party websites. It's better you can remove this. In Facebook also, I recommend this. Here also. Saying that you are missing out an estimated 65% more clicks. It's okay, no problem. I want more people to see in LinkedIn only. Okay. So the only two placements are there by default, LinkedIn, and it's better you can remove. Small companies, it's always good to remove the audience network. Big companies, let them, because they have money, they can reach more audience. Next, budget, how much you want to spend. Obviously, you have to go with a good budget here, minimum 2,000 rupees, because your cost per click is highest. If you want, you can mention the start and end date. And bid strategy, we know that, right? It's better you can give it to automatic bidding. So LinkedIn will take care how much cost per click should show. Otherwise, you mention how much you want to pay. Now see 155 rupees. By default, LinkedIn only telling, we recommend a cost cap of at least 155. Similar advertisers are spending between 113 to 283 for landing page clicks using the recommended bid helps you effectively spend. Let's try to put 20 rupees. Let's see what it will say. See, too low to reach your target audience, increase your bid. So this shows that this is expensive. So let it be, give it to the LinkedIn itself, it will take care. So we're not doing any of these things. In this also again, same like a Facebook have a pixel, right? Here also they'll be having a pixel, but they have a different name actually. You can also do conversion tracking. I never run LinkedIn ads because these are super expensive. Maybe I'll run few of them for you people so that I'll show some data. Everything is done. Then click on next. Finally, ad. Either you can create a new ad or browse existing content because we have a page, right? Existing content also you can make it as an ad. That's why I took this one previously. See here. So this is your creative and the content is there. This will become a promoted ad. Desktop and mobile phone. Promoted ad. But this post doesn't have a destination URL. It's not accepting. So let me create an ad. Create a new ad. Name this ad. Text. Okay, no, this is not right. You're targeting about the BPO people. Not happy. Present job and industry. want to change the career on digital marketing and get job ready. 2 months without quitting present job, because quitting the present job is a pain for them. No coding. 100% job guarantee with 30% salary hike. If a working professional see this one, definitely he will like it. So what is your destination URL? The headline. First, let us take an image, because again, this is also important. When people are scrolling down, they have to stop by, right? Unhappy employee. Make sure that you do this on Canva, but I'm just unhappy BPO employee. Let me try. Where you'll be using something like this. There is some watermark is there, but I'm using this for explanation. So image, download, desktop. Line. Yeah. So this is the promoted ad. It will be targeting the exact BPO employee. You can write the lengthy content here. Just here, 600 characters. What are the program benefits also you can mention here. And everything is fine. The call to action button, like learn more. Everything is fine. So this is coming. Then you can click on create. That's it, guys. After that, you'll be going to the billing where you give your credit card, debit card, and net banking. Once the payment is done, you'll be live. We've seen that already. When it comes to Twitter ads, when you create a Twitter ads, if you don't give your credit card information, you can't use the Twitter platform to create a sample campaigns as well. But Facebook and LinkedIn is not like that. Even though you didn't give payment options, you can just create campaigns. Right. This is overall campaign. Just launch the campaign. So this is the campaign. We are starting from today continuously and targeting Hyderabad who work for these companies and who have 1 year to 4 years experience. And we create a single image ad. We're targeting only LinkedIn, not LinkedIn audience network. Our budget is 4,000 and we're using automated bid. And this is the creative. Everything is fine. Launch the campaign. Right. So I'm not going for billing. That's it, guys. If you have a billing, then what is the minimum and maximum budget for an ad? See, it's always good to start with 2,000. Maximum, there is no limit. It has to be, because 200 to 300 per click they're taking. At least you should get 10 clicks, right? So minimum daily budget should be 2,000. Okay. Cost per click, we gave it to the LinkedIn only. LinkedIn only take care. But at least if you go with the 2,000, it will be good for you. When it comes to Facebook, you can start with 500. Not a problem. But LinkedIn, as we say, the cost per click is more, it's always good to go with a good budget. Okay. So I'm not going much deeper into this. I'm not creating the pixel and all these things because it's very rare that we'll be using the LinkedIn ads. But whenever you get a chance, just go through that more so that you will easily understand. So once we set up a Facebook pixel, remarketing, conversion tracking, almost all are same here as well. So here also they have a business manager option. I'll try to go with the options here. So they started a business manager. Sure. Sure, email ID. Create. Okay. Let me, okay, it's going. It's failed. Just with me. Password. The password on the user. Right. Yeah. Right. Now we've been to the business manager. Same like a Facebook business manager, you can invite other people, partners, pages, shade audience, all the options are there here. Okay. Maybe whenever I get a time, I'll be making a videos on the remarketing and conversion tracking. But at this point of time, it's enough. Any questions on how to create LinkedIn ads? You think it's fine? Fanindra, Mohan, can you able to create now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, great. So Twitter ads and LinkedIn ads, I'm not focusing much in Hyderabad or Bangalore. When you get a job, nobody's asking. They're asking most of the Facebook ads only. If someone asks you, don't worry, get back to me. We'll sit together. I'll show you how to create a campaign. So focus more on the Facebook ads only. Now, that's it. So with this, we learned social media organically, how to do the marketing, and now we learned the paid marketing as well. So mostly, as I mentioned, people are spending money on the Facebook and Instagram ads only. So learn it perfectly. Now, we discussed one event management company. They wanted to promote. So I asked you to create the strategy. So to start with, who is the one yesterday sent me? Today I got Sushmita. Apart from that, someone else also sent. Fanindra, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So social media ads. Yeah, that is the one. Social media live streams. What do you mean by live streams?
Going by live, sir.
Then you go live and what talk about?
Showing the event.
Okay. Okay. So you already had a contract with one event. So in the event, you want to go live, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
That's a good option. So people will see it actually. Offers and services to the customers. What is this?
Just normal offers and services, email marketing.
And the email marketing. Okay. Advertisement in shopping malls comes under traditional. Okay. When it comes to digital marketing, social media ads, and live streams, email marketing is a good option. Okay. Sushmita says that first website. Can someone mention the chat box? What is their website URL? I lost it.
There
Let us
are
know.
actually they have kept their pictures, but it was not like client's one.
Okay.
So of course people might
Can
think that
you send me the website details in the chat box?
yeah,
I lost the website details. Yeah, that's true actually. So when they already work with more clients, so they should showcase so that it will create curiosity among other customers. Then posting short videos on social media content should be tips and hacks related to wedding, birthday, college parties. That's good option. Yeah, do's and don'ts, shops, designer. Yeah, that's a good option. Yeah. First of all, website should be good. Whether you observed or not, you can see are not secure. So this is the wrong signal. So what you have to take here? So what is the problem? SSL certificate, you have to do that. This is okay. And you're saying this is about, right?
Yeah, because people might get it from Google, sir. Like they can search and people.
Ah, cha, cha, cha.
Yeah.
Okay, instead of the real pictures you wanted.
Yeah, with the
Like
client.
the guy who is managing this, if you take a selfie, that will be more good, right? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, he can do it. It's not a problem.
Yeah, website is okay, but improvisation is important. First SSL certificate instead of, yeah, people can doubt these are the Google images or his own images, so that if he's there actually showing, that will be more important. And yeah, this is really good. Most of the people thinks that how to promote my product, what kind of videos I can put on YouTube or Instagram. So people think that if you're looking for wedding photography, come to me. No, it's not like that. Nobody want to see the promotion. Instead of that, if you give tips, it's always good. See my also. In my Instagram account, I'm talking about the jobs, I'm talking about the tools. Then sometime I'm asking the people to join my course. Here also same thing. So this is a good point. Stories related to bride and groom, how they met, and this is good actually. This is also super. Pinterest posting pictures. Yeah, this is what the strategies is. Okay. And one more thing, what about the influencer marketing, guys? Instead of this guy is spending money on the Facebook ads, find out some influencers, maybe they are related to food, health, travel. Okay, their audience is youngsters actually. There is a possibility maybe in the future they get married, and you pay money for them, you asking them to promote this. Don't you think this will work? Yeah, it will work, right? The influencer marketing. Yes. So influencer marketing always works. So we will be learning the influencer marketing in the next class, the same company, how to find the influencers. So that is also part of a social media only. So one thing, either this guy starting from the scratch, he can improvise his social media account, but it takes time. Instead of that, already some people who have a good number of followers. So if they contact, yeah.
Sir, I have a idea, sir. Sir, for this venue event, sir, for instant events, you can create a profile and some marketplaces like India Mart and business just there, like it will work out, I think.
He can do that, but there is a lot of competition, all the traditional marketers are doing that only,
But in results page it will come in out, but perfectly we can do keyword product name mention, so it will work.
Correct. Same like it can be India Mart, or it can be Just Dial, it can be Quicker, OLX, all the classified submission, that is also part anyway. Okay, yeah, you can add that too. Okay, and yeah, Google, first of all, the best thing is Google Ads is the best one. So people search for best wedding photographers in Hyderabad. This is the highest one. This will give you more sales. Social media is just for branding. We don't know whether that guy is looking for a marriage or event, but here someone searching means definitely is looking for it. Now showing your ad give you more business. The proper strategy, I'll tell you, just utilize this strategy. So we can convey the same message to the same guy. So first, clean website. The website has to be great. Okay. Now, the best thing is Google Ads. Google Ads search means someone searching, you are showing an ad. The wedding photographer, event photographers, what it might be. This works on a CPC, cost per click. When someone click, you have to pay. It can be anything. When it comes to this, I've seen this, it's somewhere below 60 rupees to 80 rupees is there per click. 60 to 80 rupees. Let's take the least here. Assume that every day some 20 clicks are coming. Around 1200 rupees you're spending per day. Minimum budget I'm telling you. Okay. So with the 1200 budget, he started every day. Now he is getting clicks. From here, people are going to the website. So assume that he has 30 days budget. Let's take 1000 rupees for a calculation purpose, 30 days. So total 30,000 he is invested. So when you spend 100 rupees, I'm taking average of 50 here, 20 clicks. 20 clicks means total 600 clicks. Means 600 people visited his website. Okay. Okay. So 600 people clicked means these people all looking for a wedding photography, maybe in the upcoming 3 months or 4 months. Okay. They came to the website and they came to your website. Your website have all the details. The main thing about this website is they don't have a contact form. So first of all, they should have a contact form. If everything they like, they want to fill the form so that you can get back to them. Of course, WhatsApp is there. This is the immediate way communication. If you click and they chat with you. Nobody is going to call you when it comes to this kind of service. This is not an emergency service to call you. They will not talk to you. Customer think in such a way that I want to check with multiple wedding planners actually. So form is mandatory. It's good that there is a WhatsApp button. Okay. Now, once you have a website, you have a contact form here. People are filling. Among these 600 people, I assume that 10% means 60 people, right? 60 people have been converted. Means they fill the form. They fill the form means you will be contacting them or email marketing or WhatsApp, you calling them. It's done. But the remaining people data you don't have. The remaining 440 people data you don't have. Okay. So the proper strategy should be website should be there. You should run Google Ads. There are some people came over here. So here make sure that Facebook Pixel is already installed here. Facebook Pixel. So Pawan and Harsha done Google. So here Google remarketing code also there. People who not done, just leave it. Facebook Pixel, remember it. Why? Because people who not converted, I want to target them. Now run campaigns. So here I'm not investing any money on Facebook ads. Why? Because if you run ads on Facebook, like if you're looking for wedding photography, contact me. People might get married in the future, but not now, right? They will not book advance 1 year or 2 years. So it's waste of running ads over here. If you do wedding photography directly on Facebook ads, only branding will happen. Maybe long run, they'll come back to you. So that's not a good method. The good method is Google ads only. But people who not converted, to them only show ads over here. Then you are reminding them that, what is this? Venu Event Planners is the one who will be giving services to you. Wherever they go to Facebook, ads should come, Instagram, Messenger, even I said, even the Google also, right? Whenever they go to any website, ads should come. Even they go to YouTube, the ads are coming. Even they go to app, ads are coming. Then people think that, okay, this might be a famous company. Where I'm going, they're coming. So conversions will be more. Remember, people take 7 instances to identify anyone as a brand. So you should show that many times. Then only you will get sales. So now what you can do, you are collecting the cookies, right? Now create a Facebook campaign, FB campaign. This can be anything. It can be FB video campaign, or FB website visit campaign, or FB lead campaign, or FB conversion campaign. Anything you run, target the existing customers. Existing customers. Okay. At the same time, Google campaign, Google Ads, display campaign here, not search. Now people are going to some websites, ads are coming. Whether they go to websites or YouTube or mobile app, even Gmail also, it's keep on coming. Then because this many times you're doing, his conversions will increase. Now there is a possibility, maybe you may pull 80 more leads. This is how smartly you can invest the money. So this is the proper strategy. Okay. Now I'm talking about wedding photography. This will be suitable for all service related businesses like wedding photography, interior designing, bridal makeup, building constructions, all the service related, whatever you think, you just imagine. All of them, this strategy works. Directly running ads on Facebook at the time, they might not be interested. They're not looking. But again, this is different for a digital marketing course. Now, when I'm running ads, this will work. This is absolutely work. But apart from that, I can run directly ads on Facebook as well. When I'm showing ads on Learn Digital Marketing 100% job, there is a possibility student will enroll for the course. Why? Someone tell me the difference. Why people might not convert for wedding photography? Why people will convert for my course? Someone tell me. What might be the difference? Salim? No? Sushmita? Big, yeah. So the only difference is wedding photography, it takes time. Not everybody in a mood of getting married, right? But joining the course anytime they take a decision. That is only the difference. It based on the service. So being a marketer, you have to think like that. Okay, will the customer take a decision or not? Now, if it is a e-commerce product, people can take a decision immediately as well. Now, for the he might take 2 to 3 days. For buying a product, he might take only 10 minutes. It's all based on the service.
So
Okay.
even word of will work for photography and all.
Yeah, that is traditional anyway.
Yeah,
That
I
is
mean,
traditional.
people, of course, do take suggestions from others or something.
Correct, correct. So again, here I'm telling you, we have marketing concept like AIDA, right? AIDA, like awareness, interest, desire, action. Now here one more option came like recommendations, a review or recommendation. Based on your service, post sale. Now you got a lead, they have got converted. If you provide good service, okay, and you are confident about that and customer is happy, ask them to review on Google My Business, Facebook, okay, then they're very happy, right? Then they spread the word. So this is the next part. Post sale, this is the part. Okay, so this guy is happy, definitely he will bring 3 to 4 sales. Now you're learning my codes actually. Okay, you already crossed this. I created awareness, interest, desire, action. You are my students now. Now I'm teaching you. If you really feel that my course is good, maybe you will be bringing more students to me. Next page this is. If my content is bad, you will not do that. Okay, right. That's it. So with this, we have done Facebook ads, Twitter, LinkedIn. just create a LinkedIn and Twitter ads for yourself. I'm not going to check anyway, but if you have any questions, ask me. Next, we'll be talking about influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing? How it will be helpful for us. And next, email marketing. How to send bulk emails at one go. Then after that, one class I'll teach you on blogging, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. Yeah, I may take 3 classes for this. Then after this, YouTube, affiliate marketing. Yeah. Then the jobs yesterday we discussed on LinkedIn, freelancing. Yeah. So with this, it will be done. Then we'll be going to, if any topics are there, I'll remind you. I'll be adding them. Mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7 to 8 more sessions are there. After that, we'll be going back to the SEO part and Google Ads part. And Pawan Harsha will be going for a jobs after these modules. Okay.